guys, it's Justin with Vintage Trailer Works. Going to take a second and show you your water system setup. So the majority of campers that we have are going to be equipped with a 10-gallon fresh water tank. As you see here, you can see the plumbing set up there. In order to get water into that tank, we have a water fill port here on the side. This is gravity fill, so you would just take your can, water hose, whatever you might be using to fill this, and just fill right directly into there, and it travels through this tube into your water tank, your fresh water tank. And as you can see, it's got a 12-volt pump. This pump is powered by your battery, so if your battery is not on, the pump will not operate. So in order to use the pump, you'll want to make sure your pump is switched into the on position, and then you simply open the water valve, and then you see the water comes out and it'll drain, and it's going to drain down. It's going to drain down into this hose right here, and there is a cap on the bottom of the trailer. You'll just simply undo the cap and the water drains out.